Alright, you did, people. Let me turn my radio down. Okay, we're going to do a wheel swap on the brand new little Nissan Skyline. This car is pretty cool. The wheels aren't bad. I think it'd be better. There'd be a lot of detailing you can do to this car. Look at that front end. Looks like there's an oil cooler and some lines there. The headlight covers you could paint. These wheel flares you could detail out. You could even go in there and build a new roll cage and stuff. But today we're just going to swap the wheels out. I'm going to use this little Holden pickup here because I really like the wheels on this. So let's get started. First we're going to drill out our posts. You got to make sure you clean out that drill bit. I'm not real hyper today because I don't need to worry about a time element. So we'll see how we go here. I just did a little Toyota Land Cruiser. It came out pretty cool. The new one from Hot Wheel. Now the reason I'm drilling out this car here, normally I just blast it apart and steal the wheels off of it. But I'll take the wheels that I don't like and I'll throw them on this car. And I'll give it away to some little kid. I work at a preschool, so there's always abundance of kids, so I'll bless a little kid with a little Holden truck. Okay, there we go. Now we'll drill a hole in the Nissan. Clean out your bit. Clean out your bit. That was weird. There's an air pocket in that one. Kind of went through real quick. There you go. What do you guys think of this new price increase on the Hot Wheels? 9-10 cents. I can handle it. May not buy as many as I used to, but okay, there we go. There's our holes. Now we're gonna Dremel, let her rip. That one. There you go. There you go. Pop it apart. It's like that. Pop that one apart. Okay, there you go. Okay, there's our two chassis. We may have a problem here, folks. Okay, well, looks like the chassis plate is a little wider on the Nissan than it is the Holden. Which is going to require an axle replacement. But that's no problem. It really used to bug me when I go to swap wheels and the wheels wouldn't fit. The axles are too short and you're like, oh man. Now what we can do, probably not going to roll very well though. You take and trim this area down here, grind that all down. But now we're going to make some new axles. We're going to make some new axles. cut your axle in half, and you can use those on other projects. You can use those on other projects. Okay. So wheel, 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 wheel. Okay. Yeah, I really like those wheels. Those are pretty sweet. Okay. We gotta make an axle. Remember how to make axles? I showed you that before. Okay. Get her a punch and a hammer. Give her a smack. Oops. Alright. Okay. Thread your wheel on there like that. Okay. Lay it in the chassis. Put your other wheel on there. Whoa. These little things get to jumping sometimes. Okay. Just like that. Trim your axle. Okay. And we will mash it. Check it for fit. Yeah, I could shorten it up a bit. I could shorten it up a bit. That's perfecto. And the little ends there, you can trim them little ends. Just leave enough of your mushroomed brass there to hold the wheel on. There you go. Perfect fit every time. There was this other guy that did that, and I just, you know, I don't know, whatever. Okay, where's my material? Went flying. There it is. Okay, you guys following along here? You getting this? All right. I got a new hobby site I've been playing with in Argentina, which is pretty cool. You might have to check it out. Greetings to my new friend Hector there in Argentina. We both like to customize, so. Also a shout out to Hobby Talk, my friends at Hobby Talk. I've got a lot of them there. What are you doing, John? I don't know what I'm doing. Get too crazy here. There you go. Trim your axle. Uh-oh. I lost the whole chute match here. Where'd it go? There it is. Okay. Alrighty. Alright. It seems like this song was on another one of my videos. I'm listening to Air 1, if that's any indication here. Okay. Shorten it a little bit. There you go. Almost ready. Trim the end there. Okay. One last thing we forgot to do. Let's check out this interior here. Oh, look at that. Right-hand drive. And it's got the raced out interior. It's pretty sweet. Got a couple little gauges on the dash there. It's kind of hard, you can't see it, but alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to tap our holes. 256 is the size, but first I'm going to trim our posts. Trim our post so it fits together better. Okay, now we're going to thread our holes. Remember, just a few turns, back it out, clean it out, clean out the threads, do some more. Make sure you keep the tap clean, otherwise you don't want to break it off in there, as that'll be bad. Very bad. This is a really cool casting. I picked up 3 of these things, and I like these little imports. A muscle car guy by Deep Down Inside, but I sure like these little early imports. These are pretty cool, the old 510 Datsuns and stuff. The old Mini Coopers, all that stuff's pretty cool. Okay, there's our holes. Alright, now, let's reassemble it. Here you go. Oh, that's cute.